Hey, man, what's up? Stiles.
I don't think I can get out of here. I can't move.
Where are you?
I don't know. It's too dark. I can't see much.
Well, we can get you some earplugs or headphones.
Oh, no, I don't need anything.
We're just on the other side of that window. Okay?
Okay. You know what they're looking for, right? It's called frontotemporal dementia. Stiles, if you have it, we'll do something. I'll do something. You're my brother. I know everything.
It's okay. You're all right.
Your friends. Your family. We're going to destroy all of them, Stiles. Everyone who ever meant something to you.
Why? Somebody needs to tell me what's happening to him.
Stiles, you still got me. You okay? Why can't you trust anyone?
Because you trust everyone! Ah!
Are you okay? Fine. Let me see. What the hell is happening to me? We'll figure it out. You're gonna be okay. Am I? It's not just a feeling, though. It's like it's a panic attack. You know, like I can't even breathe. I'm fine.
It's you. It's all you. You know, every day I saw her lying in that hospital, slowly dying. You killed your mother. You hear me? And now you're killing me. This hyperactive little bastard who keeps ruining my life. He's 10 years old.
He's trying to kill me. Stop looking at me like that. Stop it.
The jumpiness, constant, overwhelming, crushing fear that something terrible is about to happen. Are you okay? Fine.